Hi, everybody. Kevin Purcell talking to you from the US. Looking forward to seeing all of you at the London Trainer Gathering, the end of June. And I am here to do a brief infomercial about one of the open space sessions that you would have the opportunity to attend in London during our trainer gathering. And this is focused specifically on the Power Lab film. The film is called Living in New Hope. I trust all of you have at least heard of the Power Lab. A few of you I know have attended. And this film, Living in New Hope, which is a documentary about an actual Power Lab made 20 years ago in the US. And it, by the way, was nominated for an Educational Documentary Award. It is focused on a real Power Lab, and it will bring you inside the Power Lab experience. And you'll see Barry and people like me, Julie Beeden, who many of you know is actually a middle in this lab. And Julie and I will be facilitating a discussion of the film at the trainer event in one of our open space sessions. And we'll be able to do that because Jeff Boudreau in May is going to send all of you an email that includes a link, a free link to view the Power Lab film, which is actually called Living in New Hope. So you'll see that email from Jeff in May with a link to, for free, watch the Power Lab film. I urge you to do that. And the reason for that is, those of you that aren't as familiar with the Power Lab should know that the Power Lab film is the most significant visual document that Power Systems has ever created in its history. The Power Lab Barry started doing in 1969 and has continued off and on for, you know, whatever that is, 40 some years. And it is such a profound week-long event of deep top, middle, bottom learning in two different exercises. One, the society exercise, one, the organization exercise, which all of you know about. And the society exercise is made up of elites, middles, and immigrants. And so that's a 24-hour event for multiple days. And the Power Lab, in fact, is the film, is the program that Barry used to create all of his original theoretical frameworks. So all of Barry's work, even to this day, has been profoundly illuminated and influenced by his observations from the Power Lab. And the organization workshop, something that we all love and enjoy providing our clients and communities, came along much later. So if you haven't been in the Power Lab, if you haven't seen the Power Lab film, if you don't know about it, this is a very important event. I urge you to view the film when Jeff sends you the email link in May. And I also invite you to join the open space session focused on the Power Lab film Living in New Hope that will be co-facilitated by myself and Julie Beeden. See you in London.